We want to welcome you to the 2019 Friends of Lake Livingston water willow planting. Today we're out here at Lake Livingston. We have the Texas Master Naturalist Heartwood chapter with us and another Texas Master Naturalist chapter with us. Texas Parks and Wildlife is out here, along as with our conservation group, Friends of Lake Livingston.
I believe that water is fundamental to any society, and water is actually one of the most important business resources we have in Texas. I would argue it may be the most important business resource we have in Texas. So having clean water is terribly important. And this is step one of the water filtration process so that the Houston region can have clean water to drink.
This project is very important because we're adding plants back to this habitat, and these plants will help with erosion, silt buildup, the fish, the wildlife, the insects.
We put plants on boats, we ship out to some tiny little island in the middle of the lake, and we cover it with a bunch of water willow and plants, trying keeping it contained in itself as an island. With the help of the plants, we're using their native ecology to try and keep the sand where we want it, as opposed to where it wants to be.
The Lee College horticulture program at the Ellis unit is very important with this project because those students there are the ones who are growing, propagating, doing all the research for these plants. And that way we can have better plants that are put back here in Lake Livingston.
We are trying to preserve Lake Livingston for many decades to come. So we are trying to use the work of the prisoners and the plants that they grew, and now we are inserting those plants along the banks of the lake to preserve this lake. And it's also helping to teach the students about thinking longer term. Not thinking so short term, but thinking into the future for themselves and for society.